Roland V-Drums Series 3 and 5. Professional power for every drummer. Roland's newest V-Drums Series 3 and 5 elevate its electronic percussion legacy to new heights. Announced on October 16, 2025, they expand the ecosystem with V31 and V51 modules, improved hardware, and wireless integration. Next-generation sound engine. At the heart of each V-Drums 3 and 5 kit is Roland's new sound modeling generation. This unified system delivers a core library of sounds with thousands of high-resolution, multi-layer samples crafted from hand-selected DW acoustic drum kits. Roland Cloud integration and DW Soundworks. A standout feature of the V-Drums 3 and 5 series is their integration with Roland Cloud and DW Soundworks. Each kit includes 6 months of Roland Cloud Ultimate membership, offering access to DW Soundworks software. Hardware and connectivity. Roland improved kit durability and playability. Enhanced pads mimic acoustic drums with better response, while USB interface enables single cable recording. V-Drums 3 Series. Compact power. Series 3 kits emphasize portability and simplicity, offering Bluetooth streaming, coach mode, and built-in recording, ideal for constrained spaces. V-Drums 5 Series. Creativity unleashed. Designed for serious drummers, the V-Drums 5 Series enhances expressiveness. The V51 module supports Roland's digital pad ecosystem, with advanced components like the PD14D-SX snare, unified ecosystem, and future-ready. The real breakthrough is ecosystem consistency. V31, V51, and V71 modules are cross-compatible, facilitating seamless upgrading and investment protection with wireless updates and mobile control. Buying considerations and pricing. Before purchasing, drummers should assess skill level and purpose. Series 3 suits beginners and tight spaces. Series 5 targets advanced players with full acoustic dimensions and enhanced I/O for complex setups.
Go to GearBrain for more information.